Remember that greatness is not achieved overnight. It's through consistent effort and perseverance. Hard work is the foundation of success. About going the extra mile, even when no one is watching. Each step forward brings you closer to your goals. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishments. Surround yourself with coaches, mentors, and teammates who inspire and challenge you to grow. Learn from their experiences, absorb their wisdom, and use their guidance to refine your skills. Teach one. Respect your opponents. Share your knowledge and encourage fellow athletes. Break free from your limitations and embrace new challenges. Take care of your body and mind. Are you willing to put in the hours, push your limits, and dedicate yourself to honing your skills?
Šeit Alojā vienmēr prieks ir atgriezties, te katru gadu ir kādi uzlabojumi, un uzlabojumi vienmēr ir par labu sportistiem. Un man šķiet, ka jebkurš no mums motocross sportistiem ar vēlmi brauc uz šo trasi, un tas ir tas foršākais un prieks atgriezties. Lai jums tāda deksme, kāda līdz šim nekad nepazūd.
Never give up. It's a journey of self-discovery. Journey that separates champions from the rest. Celebrate victories with humility and handle defeats with grace. Enjoy the journey and believe in yourself.